Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rinku Handcrafts. Today we are going to see how to make simple granny square. It's really easy to make and it's very basic project which you can do as a beginner. So let's start. Now to start, first we will make a slip stitch. So hold your yarn like this, insert your finger, twist the yarn, pull the yarn from the ball and make a loop here. Then insert your hook in that loop and then just pull this yarn from the ball. And here your slip stitch to the hook is done. Now after this I'll make 6 chains here. Keep these chains little bit loose. Now after this make a slip stitch to this first chain that we did. So for slip stitch, insert your hook in that loop, pull the yarn through this loop and then pull the yarn through this loop on the hook like this. Now here you can see we have this center created where we will work our next stitches. Now next for round 1 we will make 3 chains here, 1 2 and 3 like this. And then here next we will make 2 double crochet stitches in the circle, and while doing double crochet stitches hold this loose end also with the circle so it will be secure at the same time. So for double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the circle, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull the yarn from first 2 loops, then pull the yarn from next 2 loops. So our first double crochet stitch is done. Now I'll make one more double crochet here like this. My second double crochet stitch is done. And now here you can see these 3 chains that we did initially, this we will consider as 1 double crochet stitch here. And now here you can see we have this set of 3 double crochet stitches. So in granny square this group of 3 double crochet stitch is called as cluster. So we have here one cluster of 3 double crochet stitch. Now to move forward I'll make 2 chains here like this, then again make 3 double crochet stitches here in the circle like this, then again make 2 chains. And here if you see these 2 chains pattern that we are doing, this will form the corner of the square. So like this we want total 4 loops here. So I'll follow the sequence of 3 double crochet stitches, then 2 chains, 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains till I get my 4 loops here. And once I complete my round 1, then I'll meet you back here at the end. And now here I have made my last 3 double crochet stitches. Now again I'll make 2 chains here, and to join this round I'll make a slip stitch to the top of this third chain here, the 3 chains that we did. So here on this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So like this my slip stitch is done and I have completed my round 1. And now here you can see we have these 4 loops at the corners, this 1 2 3 and 4. Now for next round, in granny squares we usually work in these loops. So whatever rounds we do we usually work in these loops. That's the pattern of granny squares. So to jump to this next loop, here we will first make some slip stitch. So this is the second double crochet from the first round. So on the top of that second double crochet we will make 1 slip stitch like this, and then again in this top of this next double crochet I'll make 1 more slip stitch. And now to jump to this loop, again I'll make 1 slip stitch in the loop. So here you can see with slip stitch we did smooth transition of our yarn from here to here in the loop. Now again in this loop I'll make 3 double crochet stitches. like this. And as this is the corner stitch, here again we are going to make 2 chains here, and then in the same loop we are going to make 3 more double crochet stitches like this. Here you can see, insert your hook in the same loop and make 3 double crochet stitches here. Now to jump to this next loop, here we have these 3 double crochet stitches, so we are not going to work on those. We will make 1 chain here. You can skip this chain part, you can directly work in this loop, but I prefer to do chain just to have nice look to our granny square. And now to jump to this loop, we'll make 3 double crochet stitches directly in the loop. Then again the corner pattern, so here we will make 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches in the same loop. So like this I'll continue, and I'll follow the same sequence of 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches, and then 1 chain in between to join the loops. So once I complete my round, then I'll meet you back here at the end. So here I'll make 1 chain to jump to the next loop like this. So complete your round and then meet me back here at the end. And now here I have made my last 3 double crochet stitches of round 2. And now to join this round, I'll make 1 chain here, and I'll join my round on the top of this first double crochet that we did. So here I'll make 1 slip stitch. So take that V loop on the hook and make a slip stitch here. And now here you can see our round 2 is completed, and now our project is taking the shape of square. Now again to start round 3, we will repeat what we did in round 2. So we will make some slip stitch here at the start to jump to this next loop. So here I'll make 1 slip stitch, and then here the next one, and to jump to this loop again I'll make 1 slip stitch in the loop for smooth transition like this. Now here you can see in round 2 we created many loops here. So here you can see these 4 corner loops, and we have these middle loops as well, so we are going to work in that. So first we will see the corner stitch here. So for corner stitch we are going to follow the same sequence of 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. Now here my corner sequence is done. Now to jump to this next loop, I'll make 1 chain here, and in this next loop I'll make 3 double crochet stitches directly like this. Now chain 1 to jump to the next loop, and again in the next loop we are going to follow the sequence of this corner, 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. Always remember we are doing this 2 chain pattern to get the shape of the corner, and in between these clusters we are doing 1 double crochet stitches. So basically in granny squares we are making clusters in these loops to have the pattern of granny square. Now here my 1 chain is done. Now in this one I'll make the sequence of 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. So like this I'll follow the sequence and I'll complete my round 3, and once my round is completed then I'll meet you back here. Now here I have made my 3 double crochet stitches of round 3. Now to join the round, first I'll make 1 chain here, and I'll join this round with the slip stitch on the top of this first double crochet stitch that we did. So like this my round 3 is completed, and to give the nice finish or smooth finish I'll make 1 more slip stitch in this next loop just to give the smooth finish to our project like this. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll pull the yarn and I'll cut it. Just keep this end a little bit longer so that you can weave it at the end. And now here you can see our cute little granny square is ready. Now you can make this granny square in any size you want, so you can just keep doing the same pattern over and over again, and you can increase the rounds and you can make a bigger granny square. There are lots of uses of granny squares, like you can make crochet bag, you can make crochet purse, or you can make blankets as well from these granny squares. And granny square is very popular pattern in crochet because you have lots and lots of variations which you can do in granny square once you get the idea about the basic stitches and patterns. So this granny square I made with double crochet stitches. As a beginner, you can try to make it with half double crochet stitches or treble crochet stitches. And once you make your own handmade granny square, then you can share your images of granny squares on my Instagram account directly. I would love to check that out. So I hope my video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then please give big thumbs up. Please share my channel with your friends and family. Don't forget to check out some amazing DIY crafts and other beautiful crochet projects on my channel. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in the next one.